Dude, I am super excited. I wasn't expecting it to get here, and it's now here. I'm hoping that you guys can see it from this angle. I'm working off of my phone. A troop. For people that don't know what that is, basically it's dressing up as a Star Wars stormtrooper and going over to like hospitals and stuff like that, raising money for charities if you can, or just doing it to put a smile on someone's face, mostly children, which is fun. Either way, we're gonna open this bad boy up, and you'll see why I've been waiting for it and why I'm very happy to see it. What it really needs is a razor blade. And just get it started. Wow, this box is a lot tougher than what I thought. Alright, you ready? Check this out. I know, that's a bad word to use. Hold on, I'll get it there. Oh my god, that's... Oh, dude, he even gave me a tripod. And of course, there's more stuff to. Oh, Jesus, I don't want to wreck it. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is made by Hyperfirm. Historically, it is an MG43 or a 34 Hitler's buzzsaw. But we know it's a sand trooper rifle. And that's what it's going to be used for. I just wanted to point out, look at the detail on this thing. This whole thing is just utterly beautiful. As for the type of material made, kind of hard to say. It's definitely a mix between hard rubber and a little bit soft rubber. I mean, I can actually bend this thing a little bit, and I won't be afraid to drop it either, because it just has that like rhino lining feel to it, which is good, especially if you're operating around little kids and they like to get up close and try to get a picture with you. You don't want to accidentally bump them, so this stuff works great. I am super ecstatic about this. I'll leave a Facebook link to the manufacturers of this, which is called Hyperfirm, on the page. And if I get any more toys like this, I'll be sure to put it up on the webpage. Excuse me, YouTube. Hope you all enjoy it. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'm out.